So this is going to be the upper part. Now this pattern, I have the video there. Okay, so I'll leave the link in the description box. If not, this video is going to be long, so that you can watch it and know how to come by this shoulder darts or shoulder dart princess Bustier. Do you get it? So I have this. I'm going to draw it out and then cut it. Out. The next thing to do is to cut the back of it. So the front of the dress, I've added stick to the lining and I've joined it together, and the actual fabric I decided to pad it. I have a video on how to pad your dress or your bustier, your princess or shoulder that bustier dress. Okay, so I'll leave the link there. You follow and know how to pad it and use the same idea for this, and also how to draft it. I'll leave the link there. You watch it and then use the same idea for this. Okay, so we are going to have our neckline on it. So I'm marking 8 inches here. Okay, and then the neck width, I'm going to mark 3.5. Then I'll come here too and mark the same 3.5. I'm going to divide this into 2 equally. I'm going to come here by 5 inches. So this is where the 5 inches will be. You see? So I'm going to use my curve here. Then here. You can use the straight ruler to also join it this way. See? So you're going to cut this, then this. So this is what we have at the end of the day. So I'm going to place this on the lining and cut the same thing for the lining. You can equally do it on the lining before you place it on the fabric to avoid the marking on the actual fabric. So this is the lining. I'll place this on top and I'm going to sew. So I'll sew here all the way, arrange it well and sew on top very well. Then I'll create a notch all through and then give it a top stitch. Okay, then this is the back. This is the back to be here and measure 3.5 also. The depth I'm measuring 2 inches. 2 inches. This is it for the back. I've already attach the lining to it this way. I have a stiff in the lining too, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew the neck and then sew the neck of this one, and then later turn it and iron on top. Okay, I'm going to add that to the back. 4.5 and 4.5. Okay, so that is going to be high. It's going to be high, so I'll measure at 6. Yeah, you can make it 7 or 8. That will also be okay. Sorry, my camera messed up, so I'm going to do what I have here at this side. Okay. Okay, so from here I'm going to measure 4.5. That's the first one. Measure 4.5. When you measure, you can take extra inch, so 4.5, and I have to make it 5 units. I want to make it 4.5. And then sew on top. Okay, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to add my measurements to this. The waist 19. So yeah. Okay, we are going to use 23. So 23 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so you see, this is what we have here. Okay, so when I place it on it this way, what I'm going to do is I'll first join the shoulder to shoulder this way, and I'm going to sew everything, sew 1.5 inch all through. Do you get it? Place it this way equally, and then sew here and sew here. Do you get it? So I'll do that and we'll continue. I'm going to add it from zip allowance to zip allowance. If you make your measurements right, everything should meet equally. So I'm going to sew it this way. I'm going to sew it this way all through. Okay, so you see the waist is meeting, the lines are meeting equally, you see. So I'm going to sew it that way, then we'll come and fix the sleeve. Okay guys, so I'm done joining. So I'm going to add the sleeve. These are the sleeves. So I have a video of these sleeves in the description box, or check the comment section, also pinned there, and know how to make this sleeve for yourself. So that's what you're going to attach. Okay, I have fixed one of the sleeves. I'm going to fix the next one. So what you have to do is you're going to measure the armhole. So we are going to measure 10 inches. So these are 10 inches. So we are going to pleat it. Just pleat it the way you want, and then you sew. I will sew, this one will come here, I will sew on top, and do the same thing till I get to the point, and after measure and see if all together, including this pleat, I'll get 10 inches. Then after, I'm going to attach it from the armhole here to the armhole here, all around, sew on top. Do you get it? And then the next thing will be to attach my zip. Now when you are attaching your zip or sewing your zip, don't forget to observe the curve here. Let it be exactly on the zip. Okay, let the line be exactly so. And so I'll finish all that and then show you the end results.